My name is Ruby. I am an Inner Awakening participant. I live in USA. I have been suffered for a long time, like anxiety and panic attacks. So I was so confused, and then 2007 I have a chance to, heard about Swamiji, and then I started to Nitya Dhyan to, cleanse my everything in the body and the mind. And then I started watching Swamiji's YouTube from nityananda.org. So I listened a lot of maybe 200 verses of the Siva Sutras from Swamiji from morning to evening, whenever I have a time, and then kept reading the books and everything. So I thought the Shiva came through the body, the Swamiji, and then helped me. That's what my feeling. And then I started practice everything that whatever Swamiji taught me, and then only I came through that, everything through the mind and thought and about all the things. And then I tried to come to the Inner Awakening program in 2011, but somehow I couldn't make the space in me, so I couldn't make it. So this time I made it. And then this process, Swamiji, I couldn't believe myself. So he made me to go through all incompletion to complete completion. So this is a kind of, ride in the roller coaster, the crying and laughing, and then, it's fun, and now I feel like, very light, and I wanted to live this space always in my life. And then the food is, Swamiji is providing with banana leaf, and then compassion, I never had this, love from, anyone in the world, in my family, because he's my God, he's showering compassion and his space in everyone. So everyone feels like that, love. So I'm gonna miss this place. And today I felt like, so very sad. So everyone go through, whatever problem they have, even panic attacks or anxiety and, different problem in their life. And I brought my son, he's 9 years old, he's taking the Ingenious program. He can teach now, for me, he can teach whatever in my incompletion, he will teach me, because Swamiji is, giving Nityananda with me to make my completion to continue and reach the world. So I am giving with my integrity and authenticity and responsibility to take with me to enrich the world to people around me. And then this will help you. You have to made it, and then you can know the power of inner awakening. With my authenticity in my heart, I'm telling, it will make your life transfer. So whatever your reality, your wish becomes the reality. Thank you, Swamiji, Nityananda.